Hey team, you know we all love our little 2x2 or 4x2 pegboard displays that close. We just love these because it's easy setup. So when I get to my event, I just put that out on the table. But I wanted to point something out to you. When these are great to use, but you also need to put some necklaces on busts because they sell way better. So let me give you some examples. See here, this is Silver Spell, one of our blockbusters, and here it is hanging on the board over here. See, here it is right here. It's just like hanging there. It looks like a big hunk of junk. It doesn't sell as well as when you put it on a bust like this. Okay, same with here, Sands of Time. And yesterday I sold 5 of these because I put it out on a bust and I hung some extra ones back here. But see, they don't look as nice when it's just hanging there like that. Then when you put it on a bust, it sells way better. And also my biggest seller is this one here, Fan of the Tribe. But when you hang it on a peg, it looks like this. It don't look too bad like this. Usually these things get all messed up. It's usually hanging like that. So it doesn't look as pretty as like that. And I sold a ton of these. I sell tons of this. This is one of my biggest sellers right there. Fan of the Tribe. And then also check out like Fishing for Compliments. See how pretty it looks on the bust? And I put a bracelet by it. So maybe you could buy it as a set. But look at it on a peg. This one looks really crappy on a hook. I mean a hook. See that? It's just kind of hanging there. You really can't see what it is, but when you put it on this, you will sell tons of them. Okay, so try to put some busts out. And also like, okay, here's Miss Universe over here. Miss Universe, but look at it on the pegboard over here. It just looks like a hunk of junk. So you really can't tell what it is, but when you put it here, I put it by the entrance of my booth and I sell tons of it, and then I put a scarf necklace on it too and I sell tons of those. But when you hang them up, that's what they look like, but they sell better when you put them out on a display some way. Okay, so that's your tip for today. Put some of your big sellers out on busts, and I'm telling you what, they will fly right out the door.